What's going on, energy analysis class? Today we are going to go over the crude oil forward curves. We're going to walk you through this here, and once you get this down, you should be able to do your natural gas forward curves quite easily. Same process, just different ticker symbol. Yeah, so make sure you're under your name here on the left-hand side. We're going to go to New Analytic. We're going to start up here on the date. We're going to be looking into the future, but here for the start date, we're actually going to take this back a little bit to the first of the year. We're going to go to 01/01 2019, and because this is a forward-looking analytic, forward curves, we need to set this out here in the future just a little bit. So we are going to go to 12/1/2022. Now, depending upon when you're watching this video, this date, say you're in the year 2022, you'll move this over here, and then you'll extend it out by 3 years. Our interval, we're going to want that on the monthly scale. Data options, exclude weekends, both, exclude holidays, NYMEX, because no one likes holidays on the NYMEX, and it messes up your data. Cool. So we've got that done. Now we're going to go over here. Same thing here that we did in our EIA weekly petroleum status, except our data source. Instead of the EIA, we're going to bring that on down to the NYMEX. The data report is going to be future settlements. Our observation is average. On over here to settle. Let that load. Our type, we are going to want crude oil. Our ticker symbol for crude is CL. That should auto-populate some of these. Now, attribute behavior. It's very important under attribute behavior. We do create separate data series. So we will come on down. Now the caption here is a little bit different. Because the type is the same for all of the curves, we're going to name this ourselves. And this one is going to be most recent forward curve. Okay. And once you got that, you're going to come up here and you're going to go to series options. You're going to go to forward analysis. And once you click forward analysis, you'll see this series option pane open up. And we are going to come down here. So we're on forward curve, single, normal. We're going to go to monthly. So we select the monthly thing here, which is great. Forecast date type, most recent. Recentness first within the last 7 days. All right. Now we're going to hit apply. And let's see if everything populates over here as it should. Perfect. Look at that. Just nice. We're going to hit submit. Make sure that the data looks correct on our output chart. And there you go. It looks very good. So we're going to go back over here to analytic. Now we want to look at forward curves from a month ago. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit this copy down button. Everything up here remains the same. Here, we're still on monthly, but here on forecast date type, we're going to go to single date, and we're going to change that to a month ago. And that will be 8/8/2019, which is a Thursday. It's important that this is a weekday. Make sure it's not a weekend. If it's a weekend, change your date forward or backward until you get to a weekday. All right. Almost forgot. Caption. We need to change the caption now. So this will be changed to CL month ago. All right. Now we're going to hit apply. Make sure that it populates over here on the left. Cool. Look at that. So far, so good. Submit. Come on, there you go. Now you can tell the difference or how far the forward curve has moved in just a month. Pretty cool stuff. I'm going to go back here to analytic. Now, the reason why we hit submit every time, again, as I said in the previous video, some of these are going to get very long, and it's important that after you make each data series, that you check it. Because if you make 90 of these and then you hit submit and the data doesn't look right, good luck finding out what you did wrong. So always check it after each one. It adds about 15 seconds, but it's well worth it. We're going to copy down. We did a month ago. Now we want to do a year ago. So we're going to come down here, CL. Actually, we're going to delete that and just do January. Actually, shorten that up. January 4, 2018. And I'll show you why January 4 here in a second. Everything else remains the same. Down here on the date, I'm going to go to 01 4 2018. Okay. Now, if we change this to 01, let's see what day that is. It's a Monday. It should work, but we're not going to risk it. We're just going to stick with 04. Oh, actually, it won't work because 01 is a holiday. So your data won't come up right. So always keep that in mind. Know your holidays because we are excluding them in our data options here. So we're going to hit apply, make sure it comes out here. Let me double check our caption is correct. So we hit apply. Let's see, January 4, 2018. Moment of truth. Look at that, cool. You have a month ago. This teal line is a year ago. And then this blue line is our most recent. So pretty cool stuff. Easy to compare a lot of data entries really quickly when you visualize it like this. So now we're going to go back to our analytic. We're going to copy this down. And now we're going to go to 2017. Everything remains the same. We change this date and we change the caption to 2017. We hit apply. And we hit submit. And you have 4 lines. Brings that line right there. So everything looks good. Go back to our analytic. We copy down. And let's do 2016. All right. Now we can't forget to change the caption here as well. 2016. We're going to hit apply. Make sure it populates over here. Oh, would you just look at that? Beautiful. We're going to hit submit. Check our data one last time. And voila. There you go. Now have the forward curves. There are 5 forward curves here. So if you have any questions, let me know. Do not forget to save it or rename it. Let me go ahead and walk through that. Actually, I'm going to have to file, save as, name, crude, crude forward curves, group. We're going to save this under our crude pricing, public, constant dates. You can add a little description, hello, and then click save. And now it renames your little chart. And there you go. There you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let us know. Again, your natural gas dashboards are coming up. You'll do it the exact same way that you did the crude, except for your ticker will change, obviously. And yeah, thank you for watching.